In Addis, we build consensus around regulation, trade, skills, and investment. At the World Bank Spring meeting, AIM 2030 was introduced to the global community with early investments such as BioVac in South Africa, demonstrating what is possible around this space. Now here in Nairobi, we move decisively from ambition to execution, from commitments to bankable projects, and from dialogue to delivery. To African governments like Kenya's, let us fully implement our commitments on regulatory harmonization, market integration, and industrial policy so that we can unlock Africa's manufacturing potential. To develop markets, to develop development partners and implementing institutions, let us move with urgency to structure and finance scalable, bankable projects capable of delivering results at speed and at scale. To the private sector, Africa presents a market of nearly 1.5 billion people and a rapidly growing demand for health products. This is your moment to invest, to scale up production, and to anchor long-term partnership with us in this continent. Excellencies, Africa has the science, Africa has the workforce, Africa has the market, and Africa has the will. Through AIM 2030, we will transform these assets into a resilient and self-sustaining health ecosystem built in Africa, for Africa, and for the globe.